When decluttering bathrooms and toiletries, the key to organizing isn't more storage. The key is to be aware of ingredients that you put on your body and to love yourself unconditionally. Avoid products with synthetic chemicals, fragrances, preservatives, such as parabens, sulfates, and formaldehyde. Choose products that are made with biodegradable, natural ingredients, or you can make your own using ingredients such as olive oil, rosemary, honey, amla, hibiscus. Above all, be mindful of the messages that tell you need to look a certain way to be beautiful or accepted. Be very critical of marketing and beauty influencers who profit from your insecurities. You don't need a gazillion products to feel good about yourself. Accept yourself, love yourself. You are beautiful just the way you are. It took me a while to declutter from the belief that gray hair makes you look old. I was uncomfortable with seeing gray in my hair. My daughter wisely told me, be present in the age that you are. Getting older is a natural part of life. Embracing your age and accepting yourself at every stage of life is loving yourself unconditionally. There's a natural inner beauty that comes out when you are comfortable in your own skin, and you won't find that in chemical-laden anti-aging products or makeup. No matter how made up you are, if you don't love yourself unconditionally, you will always feel incomplete and look to external sources for validation. I really admire Robin Greenfield's personal hygiene evolution. He went from using a few natural products to entirely using plants for his toothbrush, floss, and mouthwash. He splits open the end of a twig and uses that to brush his teeth, and pine needles for floss, and he chews on sage plant mixed with his saliva for antimicrobial mouthwash. You can't get any more zero waste and natural than that. Saliva, by the way, is what remineralizes your teeth. I'm not quite at Robin's level yet, but I have cut down my Christmas tree to use as a toothbrush. I still have my regular toothbrush, floss, and toothpaste, but I love incorporating natural materials in my dental routine. Plus, pine smells really good. To declutter the bathroom, start by evaluating everything you have on your counters, your drawers, your cabinets, your shelves. What is your personal hygiene routine? Do you have excessive skincare products or makeup? Maybe you're not ready to go 100% natural like Robin. Maybe you're ready to let go of some of the products that contain carcinogens. If you have a lot of products, you might want to group them together. For smaller items, use baskets or bins, or you can DIY drawer dividers. I found this video where the creator uses smartphone boxes to create drawer dividers. I don't recommend buying more plastic to organize your stuff. Use what you have. Designate a space for your daily routine, dental, facial, or hair. If your sink is next to your toilet, I recommend keeping your toothbrushes in a separate area for sanitary reasons. Start by cleaning the mirror, counters, and sink. I just use isopropyl alcohol to wipe my mirrors. Wipe down your products as well. If you have products that don't have the best ingredients, you can choose to use them up and not buy them again, or repurpose them to use it to clean your toilets or something, or you can toss it. Just don't buy anymore. I also recommend putting your extra toiletries in a bag for travel or your emergency go bag, which will save you time when packing. Simplifying your personal hygiene will make your day more efficient. Only add products that are truly beneficial. You don't need to buy into beauty standards or anti-aging trends to feel good about yourself. And your bathroom can be a sanctuary for self-care and loving kindness toward yourself. I hope you found this interesting or helpful. Let me know what you think is the key to organizing your bathroom. As a realtor here in San Diego, I believe that your space reflects your values, your well-being, and your personal journey. If you're ready to find a home that truly reflects your vision, I'd love to be part of that process. Reach out to me. I'd love to help you explore your next move.